Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about poly V piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on.
Hi, I'm expert plumber Graham Drew with Urban Piping. Today I'm going to mention a couple of the key factors to maintaining your hot water tank. I typically like to see every 2 years somebody go through these checklists. We want to drain your hot water tank, then we want to flush it with brand new water. We want to check to make sure the gas valve on the bottom here, you can go right off and on, and it should click. Make sure that guy's firing up properly. Then we want to check our PRV, or pressure relief valve. Make sure that it's opening and closing properly and the springs haven't worn out. And lastly, I like to take the cap off these and change out the anode rod. Now, these are things that you can watch our other videos on, and I can show you how to do them. And now if you have any problems, definitely call a professional plumbing company, someone like Urban Piping. That's who I'd recommend. But hey, that's just me.
Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on poly V. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.